temples just like this one, it's traditional to light incense. Here we light one for the goddess of the sea, we light another one for your loved ones, and the last one is for those who have passed away and don't have any loved ones to worship them. I'm lucky enough to be cooking at Armagh Temple, which is on Colawan Island. This temple is spectacular. The architecture is gorgeous, but also has a spectacular view of the sea. Now I'm going to do a very similar salad to a prosperity salad that has a combination of lots of vibrant vegetables. I'm going to start with the dressing. This is tahini. Now I need a few tablespoons of tahini into a bowl. And then for some sweetness, some honey. And it's so warm today that the honey has liquefied nicely. Perfect when you're making a dressing. And then I'm going to add some black vinegar. Now this is used quite a lot with dumplings when you go to yum cha, but this is delicious in this dressing. It has a smoky flavour to it, and if you can't find Chinese black vinegar, you can just use balsamic vinegar. Now for some saltiness, some soy sauce, and this is where it becomes quite hybrid because you've got the tahini, which is a Middle Eastern style ingredient, and then I'm mixing it with an Asian ingredient. A couple of tablespoons of that to this dish too. Great. Now I'll give this a quick mix. I took the inspiration for this dressing from a Japanese salad, a spinach salad, and it's just so Moorish that I thought, why not try it with different vegetables, just like I have here. Now I've chosen vegetables for a really vibrant salad. So some purple cabbage, I'll finely shred the cabbage. You can use all different types of vegetables for this. I've done it with tomatoes, with some beans, use whatever you love. Now we'll add the cabbage straight to the dressing. You'll notice that I'm not making my dressing in a separate bowl and then dressing later. This is the very French way of doing it, by making the dressing, piling it up with lots of vegetables and then tossing it at the last minute. Now for some carrot, and I found this nifty grater in one of the stores in downtown Macau. Look how cool this is. It's coming home with me to Australia because it just makes it so much easier. Look at those little ribbons. You already see the salad forming into a really vibrant dish. Okay, that's plenty of carrot for me. And now some daikon. Again, I'm going to use this nifty grater just to peel ribbons of the daikon. Daikon has a really nice crunch to it, but also a pepperiness that I'm looking for. Okay, the last vegetable that I'll add is some papaya. This is an unripened papaya. I'm using an unripened papaya because it has some crunch to it and a slight sweetness. And look at the flesh, beautiful and yellow. Again, adding another colour to our dish. So we'll peel just a few times. Usually you'd use this in a green papaya salad, but you know what? It works so nicely with this sesame dressing. Fabulous. That's all there is to this salad. It is so simple, yet it has so many different flavours going on. We're going to toss it, just like you would do with a prosperity salad. But usually with a prosperity salad, you'd layer everything up, place it on a plate, and then at the table you would toss it. But I'm going to do this right now so I can have a taste. Okay, onto a large white plate so the colours pop. And now this salad is all about the texture. So to add some more crunch to it, a combination of crispy fried shallots. And then so your guests know that there's a sesame dressing in here, some sesame seeds just sprinkled over the top. Raining sesame seeds. Oh, I love this salad. You know what, this is fantastic as is. Or sometimes I like to serve it with some steamed rice. I am in heaven here. A beautiful salad, beautiful view. What more could I ask for in Macau?